So today we're going to be using a mix of a few products. So I've grouped these into kind of 3 stages. Our decontamination, our polishing, cutting and polishing, and then our waxing. So we've already gone ahead and washed the car with some of this Chemical Guys Clean Slate. This will, it's a surface cleanser wash. This will remove all your previous waxes, any conditioners you have on there. Once you've completed a wash with the clean slate, you're going to want to go ahead and use a clay bar and some clay lube and go over each panel, wipe it down with the clay bar till it's nice and slick and smooth. And that's the decontamination process, basically cleaning the car with the clean slate and going over all the panels with the clay and the clay lube. Next step is the actual cutting and polishing. So I have a few products here. I've got a scratch and swirl remover from Chemical Guys. This is kind of only to maintain small scratches and swirls. Since this hasn't been done in a while, we're using the C4 and the P4 combo from Chemical Guys. So you have a C4 clear cut. This is going to be your heavier cutting compound. We'll start with that and follow it up with the P4 polish, perfect polish from Chemical Guys. That should remove most of the scratches and swirls. Some of the deep ones might have to come back and cut a little bit deeper on them with some heavier cutting compounds. We got a few pads back here too as well. Orange medium heavy cutting hex pad. You'll use this for the cutting with the C4 clear cut. And then we also have a white hex polishing pad, which you'll use with your P4 polish. After you've got your panel decontaminated, cut, and polished, the final step is to wax. So you have your classic kind of carnauba cream wax here. I'm trying out this new Hydro Slick ceramic coating hyper wax from Chemical Guys. So you can basically just wipe this on with a clean microfiber towel cloth. That one's dirty. I do have a microfiber sponge over there that I've actually been using, and that's basically the final step there. Today we'll be working with the Torx polisher from Chemical Guys. It's a dual action orbital adjustable speed, 1 to 6,000 RPMs. And something else you guys might need is some masking tape here. You want to go ahead and just mask off kind of all the trim around the paint where you'll be doing. Right now we're going to be working on the hood. So I've gone ahead and taped off the 2 little plastic vents there. And we'll do the bumper another day. We're just going to focus on the hood for now. So I'm going to go ahead and get my polisher set up and we'll get going. First we need to clay lube, since I haven't done this hood yet, and then we'll start polishing. So I just finished polishing this section, and I just want to show you guys the difference between the cut and the polish. So here's the polish, and then if we come over here, you can see how it's all hazy and it almost looks like it needs to be wiped off. Yeah, that won't wipe off. You need to polish that out and get your mirror-like finish back. See, there's the part that was just only cut, not compound, and there's the polished part.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's had.
Alright, so I'm done my first pass with the cutting compound and the polishing compound there. Just go ahead and wipe down any polish that's kind of remaining once you're finished. I just saw another spot, I think right there. You just kind of check your work, make sure you don't have any hazy spots. Looks like I still got a little bit of hazing kind of in this corner. You can see kind of right there. So I'm just gonna go over this area right here. Just do one more, do maybe 2 passes on it quickly. And that should take out all the hazing right there. Now we'll be finished polishing and ready for waxing. So we got the last bit of the cloudiness out of the paint here. Last bit of polishing finished. Got a nice deep black look back. So now that the paint's been compounded and polished, we're gonna go ahead and add some wax to protect it. So I've been trying out, like I said before, this Hydro Slick from Chemical Guys. It's a ceramic coating hyper wax. It is layerable, so I'll probably layer it up with some butter wet wax afterwards, see how that goes. But this is pretty much just like standard application. Just take a microfiber towel, apply it to it, wipe it on the car in a thin layer, allow it to dry for 1 to 2 minutes, and then buff it off with a clean rag. And then you're supposed to keep the car out of direct sunlight and rain for 3 to 4 hours, and then you can apply a second coat of either Hydro Slick or any wax or dressing of your choice, ceramic coatings. So we'll go ahead and get started with this.
And we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane, jealous of the clothing.
First layer of wax is on. Forgot with this Hydro Slick product, you don't want to over apply it because it makes it a nightmare to buff off. So this side was much easier. Just a light coating and it buffed right off. I still see a little bit. But I think we're gonna wait a little bit. It says you can apply after 15 minutes, but I'm gonna go have lunch, wait a bit longer, and we'll do another coat. So just watch out for that. If you're using this Hydro Slick product, it's not like a regular carnauba wax, which is hard to over apply. This you can over apply, which makes it hard to buff out. Just want to apply a very thin coating to it. Well, so far it's looking good. This paint isn't perfect, You shouldn't expect perfection out of a cut and polish and a wax, but it's looking way nicer.
Game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict 'cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming